Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, Upe Sotumo has been arrested allegedly. She has been arrested, and hey, kuningi sana. So it is said that she got arrested a while on the event here Devon July because she was fighting with someone. Wamoterapa ke umuntu wabantu, and then she got arrested allegedly. So she is currently under the jail, Sana. She is currently under the jail. I just don't know what's happening with this month, Yaga July. We keep on discovering things about people. It's things after things after things, Sana. We can't even keep up. While you are still trying to figure out with this one, Kuvela, this one, kuningi sana. And her career was just starting to pick up. She was getting bookings now. She started doing things that she was doing before, because we all know that she once disappeared. After the death of her husband, she disappeared. She was still grieving, dealing with a lot, and also her career was at stake. So now the career is starting to pick up, Usana. Things are just starting to look up. She's getting bookings, and I think she was also working on a new song, or she released a new song, or she was featured somewhere, but she was doing something. And then this happens. Like, yo, Sana, I really, really feel bad for her, But also, celebrities now sometimes they are just controlled by alcohol. I'm not saying that was the case with Ubabe Sotumo, but they tend to be controlled by a lot of things. Aboshebeshit, they are in jail. So I hope it's not going to be something serious. She will be out again and just start doing the things that she was already doing. Because I really feel bad for her. Imagine you are trying to build yourself, you're trying to build your career, and then something like this happens. But also, Sana, she needs to be held accountable, because hey, a lot of celebrities are getting away with things that they do, so she needs to be held accountable. So we still don't know what happened, if she was at fault or the person that she trapped was the one at fault. We are still going to hear what really happened, but yo, I feel bad for her, Shem. I really feel bad, and I hope it's not gonna affect her work, because one thing about being a celebrity, one bad publicity can ruin a lot of things. So I hope it's not gonna ruin her career, and I hope it's nothing serious. She will be out and just continue making music and making, things that she likes. So we just wish her all the best. Guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you know anything about Upe Sotumo being arrested? Because the Sana 11 July was a few days ago, and we are only discovering this now. So that's why I'm saying, hey, Sana, I just wish it's nothing serious, because we really need her, We need her to pick up and just be herself again. So I hope it's not serious. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.